Upon a time, a long time ago, there was a town called Dyspepsia, aka Selfish City. The people of Selfish City were hardworking and industrious, but they had two little problems. The first was they didn't like to share. The second was they didn't like strangers.
Ew!
One morning, as the mayor was saying good morning to the citizens, he noticed something strange.
Good morning, citizens.
Good morning, Mr. Mayor! Just then, the town's leading citizen, Mrs. Snooty Pants, happened by.
AKA Vanessa. Why does everyone in this town call me that? I am the nicest person there is.
Good morning, Mrs. Snooty Pants.
Why, good morning, Mr. Mayor. How are you this fine day?
I'm very well, Mrs. Snooty Pants.
Just as Mrs. Snooty Pants was about to ask the mayor a very important question, the mayor noticed something strange.
Oh my goodness, Mrs. Snooty Pants, look there.
Whatever is the matter, Mr. Mayor?
Look there, Mrs. Snooty Pants. A stranger is approaching our fair village.
Ew!
I don't like strangers.
Neither do I.
I think he looks very nice.
Quiet you!
Strangers don't think the way we think.
Strangers don't act the way we act.
Strangers don't eat the things we eat.
Ew!
He might be hungry.
Quiet, you!
Well, good morning.
You can't be here
Why not?
because you are a stranger.
I'm very sorry to intrude, but I've been walking for many days, and I'm so tired. I must rest and eat a bite of bread. By the way, what's so bad about strangers?
Strangers don't think the way we think.
Strangers don't act the way we act,
Strangers don't talk the way we talk.
and strangers don't eat the things we eat.
Ew!
Sheesh. Well, I don't know what you eat, but I could eat some bread and butter and some soup right about now.
We have no bread and butter!
Fine. Oh well, if you could just spare a small bowl of soup.
We have no soup!
Well, that's too bad. Whenever I run out of food, I just make a big pot of stone soup.
Ew!
Oh no, stone soup is very good, and all I need to make it is a big pot full of water. I might just have the perfect pot for this occasion. Ah, that's a fine kettle. Now, if someone could just help me get it on the fire. There, see that? That'll do very well. Now all I need is a large stone. This will do very well. Ah, that starts to smell very good. Of course, the best stone soup always has a few carrots in it.
I think I might know where some carrots are.
Thank you. That will be nice. Of course, the best stone soup always has a big eggplant in it.
I just happen to know where I can find an eggplant. There you go.
Thank you very much. Ah, that smells wonderful. Well, of course, the best stone soup always has a few mushrooms in it.
I think I just might know where to find a mushroom or two.
Thank you very much. Ah, that smells wonderful. Well, of course, the best stone soup always has a big onion in it.
I just happened to have an onion that I was saving for a special occasion. Hi-ya!
Ah, that smells wonderful. Well, of course, the best stone soup always has a bit of salt and pepper.
Oh, I think I know where I was hiding my, I think I may know where I might have a bit of salt and pepper.
Well, that seems to be enough pepper. That does smell good. But of course, the best stone soup always has a bit of chicken in it to make it just right.
I have the perfect chicken for this occasion. Okay, Clarabelle. Time for you to have a nice hot bath. Clara, come here.
Well, vegetarian stone soup is nice too. Now there's only one more ingredient for our stone soup.
But we've already shared all of our food with you.
Yes, you have. And it was very kind of you. The only thing left for our stone soup is for all of you to help me eat it.
We thought you never asked.
See, I told you so.
Yes, you did. Yeah, you did. Good job.
And so, everyone sat down to a fine meal of the best stone soup anyone had ever had, which tasted suspiciously like homemade vegetable soup. The citizens of Selfish City learned an important lesson that day. They learned that a stranger is only a stranger until he becomes your friend. And that, my friends, is the story of Stone Soup. And now we'd like you to meet our Junior Puppeteers. Take a big bow, everybody!
Yay! Great job, great job, great job.